Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the playlist on computer vision. We are now in the last part of our mini project where we have actually used concepts ranging from convert color, then to canny edge detection, then to contours, then finding shape using contours, and now we are on to the final part where we'll be using the OCR to actually read the text from the image. So in the last lecture, I have already shown how to install PyTesseract and Tesseract if you are on Windows. I hope if you're on either Linux or Mac, you have by this time installed all of the required softwares that are required for PyTesseract. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started on this. I will quickly go up and fire up my Jupyter notebook. So my Jupyter notebook, I will write import PyTesseract because this is a library I will be working upon, PyTesseract. So this is the import PyTesseract. And now once PyTesseract is installed, what I will do is I will go and write the path of my PyTesseract over here. That is where my Tesseract is actually installed. So my Tesseract is actually installed at this C program files Tesseract OCR slash tesseract.ece. So this is where exe. So this is where my Tesseract is actually installed, and I hope this will be the same for you. So if you are obviously if you are on Windows, so I will go ahead and run this now. And now, like Tesseract or PyTesseract has got this module which is known as image to string. So what I will write is I will write PyTesseract dot image to string, and it's a very obvious thing that I would have to pass in my image over here. So my image in this case is known as ZZ, and this on running this cell, I will actually get the output of my uh, number plate. So I will run this piece of code now, and as you can see, this is the output we have got, which says MH20EJ0365, followed by some garbage value at the end. But we can actually like ignore these garbage value or reduce these garbage values by actually using like filters and Gaussian blur and all those kind of techniques. But what we're interested is that we have actually extracted the text from the number plates of the car. So meanwhile, if you go back to the ZZ image over here, which we have already extracted, so if I run this piece of code over here, you will see that the number of the car was MH20EJ0365, and this is what we have actually got in our output as well. So this is how we actually like detect text from the number plates of a car using like all the concepts in Opencv. So this was our first mini project in which like we came a long way, right? Like starting from the very first lecture to this point in time, and we also learned a lot of concepts and their practical implementation as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video lecture and you have learned something interesting and important from it. See you in the next one.